Yes, hello, good morning once again. We're going to start discussing now about the order of operations. When we talk about order of operations, we have a rules or rule that we are going to follow. The rules that from a abbreviation of PEMDAS or GEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, multiply, divide, add, or subtract. When we talk about GEMDAS is the group, and then M stands for multiply, and D stands for divide, A stands for add or subtract. Actually, there is no difference in terms of technicality between the two. GEMDAS or PEMDAS are applicable. So now, but what if there are two operations such as multiplication and division exist in the same equation? What if there are addition and subtraction exist in the same equation? So we're going to answer that later one by one. So when we have the order of operation, syempre mauuna talaga is inside the parentheses or the group. So inside the parentheses or the group, you need to perform the operations inside the parentheses or the group. Next, we are going to multiply or divide. Depende kung ano yung nauuna sa left side. Or we can add or subtract, depende kung ano yung nauuna sa left side. So, let's have it in a ladder form or sa hagdanan. Ano ba ang pinakaunang step? You need to perform inside the group or the parentheses. So, you're going to perform the operations inside the group or the parentheses first. Then, you're going to perform, second, you're going to do multiplication or division. The next step is either you multiply or divide. Kung anong operation ang nauuna sa left side. Kapag nag-i-exist ang the same operation, for example, multiplication and division is in the same equation, kung ano yung nauuna in the left side will be or kailangan siya yung maunang i-perform. Next, or the last step will be the addition or subtraction. The same with the principle in multiply or divide, that kung ano yung nauuna sa left side will be performed first. Okay, so let's have an example for this. In multiplication, or if multiplication and division exists in the same equation, so kapag nasa parehas lang equation, perform the operation that comes first from the left of the equation. So kung ano yung nauna sa left side, yun yung ipe-perform mo. Okay, we have this example. 5 plus 40 divided by 4 times 2. Okay, if we are going to perform it first, dati ginambal niya, mauna kitang multiplication kaysa sa division, mauna kitang addition kaysa sa subtraction. But let's make this clear. Whatever comes first, either multiplication or division, comes first in the left side will be performed first. In your left side, in your left side. So, in the 5 plus 40 minus 4, divided by 4 times 2. So, we're going to perform first is 40 divided by 4. So, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. So, doon na. So, natapos ka na sa division, so you need to perform now. Next is the multiplication. Kasi, nasa parehas na level yung multiplication at division. So, from 5 plus 10 times 2, doon ka na magpe-perform ng multiplication ngayon. So, 5 plus 10 times 2, mauna yung 10 times 2, which is equal to 20. And then, you're going to perform that 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So, your answer from the equation that 5 plus 40 divided by 4 times 2 is equal to 25. What if maging una mo ang multiplication? Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging answer mo. So, 8 or 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then you're going to divide, which is 5 plus 10 divided, 5 plus 40 divided by 8. So, 40 divided by 8, and then that is equal to 5. So, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So, malayo masyado yung sagot from the from the original or talaga yung tamang sagot is 25. So, be careful. Kapag nag-i-exist ang multiplication and division at the same time, you need to perform kung ano yung nauna. So, the same with addition or subtraction. If addition and subtraction exists in the same equation, perform the operation that comes first from the left of the equation. So, kung ano pa rin yung mauna sa left side between them. Kahit subtraction pa yan, perform subtraction first. So, in this equation, so 8 minus 4 times 4 plus 2. So, it's clearly that in the ladder that we perform, pakikita natin yung ladder kanina, the ladder is simply mauna talaga yung multiplication kaysa sa division. So, you need to perform first multiplication, that is 4 times 4, that is equal to 16. So, 18 minus 16 plus 2. Okay. So, ano yung mauna? So, you need to perform first subtraction. So, 18 minus 16, that is equal to 2, and then you add 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. What if, giuna mo ang addition? So, magkakaroon ka muna ng in this presentation, you have 16 plus 2, which is 18. 18 minus 18, which is 0. So, mali talaga yung magiging sagot mo. So, you need to perform first the addition, o kung ano yung operation na mauna in the left side. Okay, let's have a clear example for this. Okay, ito na. 32 divided by, in a group that is 8 minus 2 times 2 plus 4. So, what are we going to perform first? So, ipi-perform natin inside the group, the operation inside the group first. So, whatever the operation inside the group, you always follow also the GEMDAS or PEMDAS. So, perform first multiplication, that is 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. And then, perform pa rin kasi nasa loob pa rin ng group. So, 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. And then, pwede mo na tanggalin yung parentheses. It's because 4 is the answer for the group. So, let's start with division. Kasi, PEMDAS tayo or GEMDAS. So, 32 divided by 4. That is equal to 8. And plus 4, that is equal to 12. So your final answer is 12. Let's have a clear example for this in a blackboard. Okay, let's continue for this example. 18 minus 3, that is in a group, naka-group yan, times 3 plus 18 divided by 6. What operation will be done first? Siyempre, yung nasa loob ng group. So, that is 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15. And then, copy the remaining operations and numbers. So, times 3 plus 18 divided by 6. What operation will be done next? So, 15 times 3. 15 times 3, 15, 30, 45. So, 45. Copy the operation and the numbers, remaining operation and numbers, plus 18 divided by 6. What operation will be done next? Yes, very good. It's division. So, in that 18 divided by 6, that is equal to, very good, 3. 6, 12, 18. So, 3. Copy the operation on the remaining number, plus 45. So, 45 plus 3, very good, that is equal to 48. So, our answer from 18 minus 3 times 3 plus 18 divided by 6 is equal to 48. Okay, let's solve this. If we have 2 plus inside the group of 24 minus 4 divided by 2. Since, sir, addition na nauna sa left. No. We need to perform first the operation inside the group. So, mauna pa rin yung ating nasa loob ng ating parentheses. So, 24 minus 4, that is equal to 20. Kopyahin natin ang operations sa magkabilaan and the numbers. So, dito plus 2, dito divided by 2. Okay. So, what operation will be done next? Yes, we need to divide first. Kasi nauna ang division kaysa sa addition and subtraction. So, 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10. Okay? Plus, kopyahin natin yung remaining operation, plus 2. So, 10 plus 2 or 2 plus 10, that is equal to 12. So, that is equal to plus 10 is equal to 12.